Whether you are an online freelancer, an online entrepreneur, an online teacher, or even someone who's doing affiliate marketing or drop shipping, you must know English. Now, there are a lot of people who comment in my videos and tell me about their problems. They ask questions, and from those questions I can understand that their level of English is not up to the mark. But all those people either want to become an online tutor or a freelancer. They want to work online with clients who are from different countries from around the world. They're not Indians, they're not Pakistanis or Bangladeshis who will understand Hindi or our local languages, but they will have to interact with those clients in English. But the level of their English that I can see in their posts, in their comments, is not up to the mark. Now, don't worry, if you are someone who's at that level, who wants to improve their English, or even someone who wants to get into freelancing and is struggling because of English, this video is going to help you a lot. If you have seen my earlier videos, you would know how much I stress on that fact that you need to know English while you are working online. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can improve on what you already know and how you can learn more of English so that you can grow in your business. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, because I create this kind of videos which help you earn money from home or on your online freelancing journey a lot. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's start the video. Welcome back. Now, the first important thing that you must understand is that we need to acknowledge the fact that our English is not at that level. That's the first very important thing. Now, understand this also, that all of us who have started this business or this journey online, none of us started with a high level of English. Okay, all of us have learned it. We learned it, we implemented it, and today when talking to a client, when talking to our a prospect, we feel easy to interact, to converse with them, to talk to them, and they also feel comfortable that okay, this person whoever I'm talking with is able to understand what I'm saying, and he's also able to give me solutions which I am able to understand. Then that person, that particular client, will have more trust or more surety that I will deliver, right? That is the most important thing, and that is what most of the freelancers are actually missing. If you go to freelancer.com, if you go to upwork.com, you can find various buyers actually writing in their job description or in their job ads that I do not want to talk or deal with people from this subcontinent because they do not know English, and they spend a lot of time in making them understand what the requirement is, and even after telling them multiple times, they do not understand what exactly was to be done, and that is something the client would want to avoid at any cost, right? So how can you improve your own English? First of all, understand that it is something which is new to us, and anything that we start new, our body, our internal system will reject it first time. It will not let us actually start speaking in English. It will reject the idea, it will not approve us speaking everything in English. So start small. Say few things in English that you already know, okay? And you do not need a lot of vocabulary, you do not need to know a lot of English words to talk in English. Just use the simple things that you already know. Simple things when you go out, you meet somebody, rather than saying आप कैसे हैं, say how are you. Rather than saying मैं ठीक हूँ, say I'm good, I'm fine, I'm doing well. Start small. Start with these basic things which do not need you to know a lot of English. Okay, you can start from wherever you are right now. Please speak more, as much as you can, right? And try not to avoid English, because since you are learning English, since you are trying to speak in English, if you avoid that thing, it will delay the process. You may learn English eventually, but then it will delay the process. What you could have learned in 1 month, it would take maybe 3 months or 4 months because you are avoiding it. Do not avoid it. Face it. Face a problematic situation and then come out of that situation as a winner. That will help you more. Okay, so speak more. Try to speak in English as much as you can. Now, all of us know that practice is the most important thing in learning any new skill. Whether you are learning drawing, whether you are learning singing or playing an instrument, or even you are learning a new language, you need to practice. So there are different ways of practicing. One way of practicing is to talk to someone who actually knows that language, and that is not very easy to find, okay, at least in our places. Now, one thing that you can do is there are different English speaking groups on Facebook. Okay, these people are actually practicing for IELTS or similar English examination. They need to talk in English. You can join those groups. You can offer them to talk or speak to them in English, and that can help you with your own practice as well. Okay, that is one way. Second way, I've talked about it long back in one of my videos. Surround yourself with English. Okay, watch English movies, watch English programs on TV, whatever program you like. If you like wildlife, watch those wildlife episodes which are on TV in English. And if you like movies, watch English movies, watch English songs. Okay, listen to English songs. That way you can be in a situation or in an environment where you have English all around you. That will help you in your subconscious mind to improve your English. You will even not realize when you have actually crossed a certain level. Okay, do that continuously and you will surely find results. The fourth or last important thing is to speak to yourself. Now, if you do not get someone to speak to, which is a probability with most of us, you can actually speak to yourself. It sounds very weird. Maybe if somebody finds out that you are speaking to yourself, they may think something different, but then it is a very good way to practice how to speak in English or any other language. Okay, how do you do that? You stand in front of a mirror and just speak your heart out, whatever you want to speak about. Now, just recently someone told me that he wants to become a motivational speaker. That's an awesome idea. That's an awesome thing. Okay, but then if you have to practice. How do you practice? Stand in front of the mirror, maybe probably lock the door from inside so that nobody can disturb you. Stand in front of the mirror, look into your eyes and speak. Just switch on that machine, whichever you have that allows you to speak, and talk about anything that you like. That is one very fast way of getting your English improved. Okay, please try that out. A lot of people from all around the world have actually tried this system, this particular tip, and they have improved on any language that they have learned newly. Okay, so that is something that will help you in your journey as a freelancer, as an online entrepreneur, or as an online tutor. Okay, whatever you want to do online, where you need to speak to people or your clients who do not speak your own language. You have to speak in English, so improve your English. So that's all I have in this video. I really wanted to stress on the fact that how much English is important and how you can improve on whatever level you are. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a like. If you think that there is something that I should have incorporated in this video or I should have removed from this video, please let me know in your comments also. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this, ask me. I'll answer those for sure. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. I'll see you in the next one. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.